And look what we got up here. What are you doing up there? Huh? What are you doing? Eating all my sunflower seeds. And look at this crew. I just got home from the movies. I went to see Maleficent with Angelina Jolie. I saw the first one. Good kids movie. I enjoyed it. I was in the theater all by myself. Went to the 20 to 4 show. What are you doing? What is it? What? Are you eating my sunflower seeds? Are you? I put a big bunch down on the... Yeah. There's a big bunch down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And number 8 up here. What you doing up there? Stealing. Oh, number 9 coming. Come on, number 9. There you go. He's not bothered by me being here, are you? Huh? You're going to empty it. The top one's empty. He's on the second one now. What are you doing? What? What you doing? Don't you fall off there. You hang on tight. Won't ya? Hang on tight. Come on up. Come on. There you go. There's Casey. There's Casey. And what are you doing? Huh? What you doing? Well, you can't beat that. Oh, be quiet. There's lots there. Stop. You're having a good feed, aren't you? Huh? You're having a good feed. Yes, you are. All the crunching. All the crunching going on. Huh? All the crunching.